To Extreme News with Kevin, and over to the left of me is John. Today we'll be talking to Jason and William about the Korean War. So first, William, why is it like you're at the War Museum?
Yes, I'm at the Korean War Museum in the U.S. gun room. The U.S. used many different kinds of guns, like the pistols they used for the M1911 Colt, the M1917 revolver, the Smith & Wesson Model 10, and the Colt News Service. The primary rifles that were used are the Springfield Model M1903A3, Springfield M1903A4, the M1917 Enfield Rifle M1 Garand, M1 CD Garand, M1 Carbine, M2 Carbine. The shotguns they used were the Winchester Model 1897, the Browning Auto 5, the Winchester Model 1912. The rifle that they used was fully auto, and it was called the M1918A2 Bar.
Okay, thanks, William.
So let us hear from Jason.
Left their children and wives, they were willing to die for you and me. Night and day they did fight for the cause that is right, for America and its liberty. Thank you, dear God, for victory in Korea. We're grateful that the battle's won. We give you the praise for victory in Korea. We thank you, dear God, for what you've done.
I'm here at the Korean War National Museum in Springfield, Illinois, talking about some of the well-known vocabulary words that were found in the Korean War. Some of the well-known vocab words are aircraft. The AC-130 aircraft was best known for its defensive support and the large amount of troop launch space to quickly send men falling through the air and into the battle zone. Carbine, a small, light, and efficient semi-automatic rifle used in the Korean War. Guerrilla warfare, the action of camel warfare, which was commonly used during the Revolutionary and the Civil War as a way to strike and evade quickly. You will also notice that that all have their own background and definition in the Korean War. There are many more vocabulary words that you can find out at www.kwnm.org for more information about the Korean War.
People desire and are determined to work for a world in which all nations and all peoples are free to govern themselves as they see fit and to achieve a decent and satisfying life. Above all else, our people desire and are determined to work for peace on earth, a just and lasting peace based on genuine agreement freely arrived at by equals. In the pursuit of these aims, the United States and other like-minded nations find themselves directly opposed by a regime with contrary aims that deceit and mockery, poverty and tyranny are their reward. That false philosophy is communism. In the coming years, our program for peace and freedom will emphasize four major courses of action. First, we will continue to give unfaltering support to the United Nations and related agencies, and we will continue to search for ways to strengthen their authority and increase their effectiveness. Second, we will continue our programs for world economic recovery. Third, we will strengthen freedom-loving nations against the dangers of aggression. Fourth, we must embark on a bold new program.
I am looking at the Treaty of the Korean War. This was the document that ended the Korean War and stopped fighting. I'll be going over what some of the countries gained and lost after the war. Let's start with Australia. They gained the peace of South Korea, but they lost 2,200 men and over $1.27 billion. Another country that was in the war was Colombia. Colombia lost 500 men and 43 tanks. Colombia gained new recruits. as well. Some of the other countries, such as Ethiopia, France, Turkey, and the Netherlands, and the Union of South Africa, gained South Korean trust. This is Jason reporting from the Korean War National Museum.
From what we heard from William and Jason, the guns were very strong, and also even more dangerous than almost all the guns we have today.
Also, they were scared from how they could die.
We will return to William and Jason to sum up what we heard today.